Hi everyone, the great thing today is that you can create the Facebook frame with Microsoft PowerPoint. Really easy. And let me show you step by step how to do it within maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes right away today. Once you finish watching the video tutorial, I am sure that you can create a beautiful frame for your special occasion of your company, your school, or just create a Facebook frame for yourself. One more special thing is that I will put the download link in the description below, so you can easily download and edit some text, edit some color, and put your logo on. So you will have your own Facebook frame for yourself with your color brand. Without any other ado, let's get right into it. Let's create a PowerPoint file. Right click and go to New, then Microsoft PowerPoint Presentation. So I would name it frame number 2 because I have just created one. This is the PowerPoint default area, but you can change it by going to Design and then Slide Size, to Custom Slide Size, and change the width and the height. If you are currently using the inch, feel free to use it, but I am more familiar with pixel, so I would type it here 1000 pixel. Remember to type the px for pixel at the end, okay? And height, of course, 1000 px for pixel as well. Once you're done typing the number, PowerPoint will automatically convert it into inch. And then you can choose like the same mode, landscape, hit OK, and you can choose whether maximize or insert fit. But in this case, I would choose insert fit. You see that? This is the new area we are going to work on. Okay, this is the 1x1 area, 1000 by 1000 pixel. Okay, so let's take a look at the design again. Now look at the Facebook frame we have. This is how it looks when you design, and this is how it looks once you put it on Facebook. You will see the circle. On the design, we got the logo, some text, some shape. We have here the wavy shape, I think. And I think this wavy shape is the most difficult one to create. Now go back to the current slide. To create the wavy shape, you need to go to Insert and Shapes, then choosing the curve. It will allow you to create the wavy path. So let's do it. Hit Curve, left click to create the starting point, and then you can see it. Second one, third point, keep going, should hit and then drag the mouse. Okay, and don't worry, you can adjust the path if you don't like it later. Make sure that the ending point and the starting point is the same, so that you can close the path and create a shape. Now I just keep the outline so that you can easily see what's going on. Go to shape and then I will choose no fill. So this is how this look, but I don't think it's good shape. So that's why I need to change the curve a little bit by right click and then edit points. Once you click edit point, you can freely, easily adjust what you want to. Okay. I am not sure this time is good or not, but I'm trying. Maybe it will take you a little time to have the really good result, but don't worry, you will come up with the beautiful one when you finish. I am sure that. So I think I will stop it now and move to the next part. You have here the shape, but it's still going outside. This time I want to get rid of the area around I don't need. So I will go to insert and create a rectangle. Overlap the shape. No fill. So you're going to see what happened. This time I just keep this area, the area inside, and remove the thing around I don't need them. By doing that, click the first one, holding shift, and click the second shape. Go to format and then move your cursor into merge shapes. Now you can see there are some options, and once you hover your mouse on it, you can see the preview right on your design. In this case, I will choose intersect. Right away, your shape turns into beautiful. Now I will add the logo. So this is the logo I have. What you need is to copy and paste it here. And when you create any design, just make sure that you have to keep the branding color. For example, maybe in this design I would choose the blue color to make it the brand color. Hit the shape and then go to format. Here you can easily choose the color you want, but I don't want to choose just the solid color. I want to have the gradient color. By doing that, you can hit the little icon here to go to format shade. And shade option, you can see the shade option is here. Hit fill and then choose the gradient color, gradient fill. Once you hit the gradient fill, it will give you some more options to choose from. Because I already chosen this color, so it's appear here. Maybe you will have the default color and you have to adjust the color a little bit. For example, I want to change the gradient color. What you need is to hit on the gradient stop and choose the color for that. For example, I want to turn it into red and another darker red. So let me make it darker so that you can see the difference between the two. Can you see that? It's go from dark to lighter. Or you can change the direction from left to right or right to left. It depends on what you want to. But now I will go back to the brand color. Gradient stop, go to color. But this time I will choose the eyedropper tool, which allows you to choose the exact color once you hover your mouse on it. You can see I will choose the brand color here. I will hit that, and this part right away turn into blue, exact blue. I will choose the eyedropper again, but this time I will choose this color. No, I don't think it's good. It's like darker. So let's adjust it a little bit by going to more color, and from here you can custom the new color for that. You can change a little bit until you feel happy. So we're done with the feel, and then I don't want to have the line around, so I just hit no line. So it has no line. But now let's play with this a little bit by holding Control and left mouse click to drag it. So you have the second, you have the second one, the first layer and the second layer. But this time I will change the direction from left to right, right to left, and right click to send it backward. Send it back. Okay, you can see there are two layers on top of each other, and it's create a beautiful look. Okay, so let's take a look with the original design again. With the first layer, the second layer, and the third layer. This time you have to create one more layer with the white color. Okay, just press Control and drag your mouse right click and send to back. But this time don't forget to turn it into white. So let me turn it to black so that you can see a little bit different. Turn it into white. You will see it later when I put the picture on it. So now let's work with the logo. There is a thing that people usually doing wrong once you want to scale a shape. For example, when you scale like this, it's going to be very bad. Remember to hold down Shift and drag like this. So it's going to keep the original ratio. Put it here. And this time I will have to add the outline. Make the outline weight bigger. Okay. This is the original logo and this is the new logo. It looks a little bit not really good. Drag the original logo on it like this, right? Increase the size a little bit. Increase the weight a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. 6 pt, 6.57, 8. I think I'm happy with this. And now add the logo on. Maybe I would put the logo here. Make it a little bit smaller. Now I will add a tagline by going to insert and then text box. Let me choose the color. Okay, black. So I will adjust the fonts a little bit. I will choose the Barlow for the design. And then I will drag it down. You can increase the font size. Turn the color into white. Compare it to the original design. You can see the word app here. And it can be created easily by using text and outline. So now let's go into the next part by creating some circle outlines around. We go back to the design and go to insert shape and choose oval. When you choose oval and drag it freely like this, you are not going to have the circle. Oval and hold down the shift key. So you will have the perfect circle. And then send it to back. This time you can see the white wavy shape, right? I don't want to have the fill shape, so I make no line and turn the outline into the brand color by using eyedropper tool. Increase the font size a little bit, like this. Now I will hit Ctrl C and Ctrl V to duplicate. This time I will make the circle inside a little bit smaller. Sometimes the two circles will be not aligned together, so you can choose the two and then go to align center, and one more time align middle. So they will be perfectly inside one another. You can also choose the gradient outline by going to the outline. This is solid outline, but I want to choose the gradient outline. 2 gradient stops by drag it down. The first one to the color, to the branding color by using eyedropper. And for the second one, maybe I will use like white color. You can rotate, then send it to back. Send to back. Good, really good. Now insert some more circle. Okay, put it on top, and hold down Control to duplicate. Put it here and put it here. Once you are happy with the design, you can save all of your design with PNG file by press Ctrl A and then right click, save as, choose the place you want to save and hit OK. Go to the file you have just saved and then open it. Wow, so beautiful, right? Now you know how to create the Facebook frame, right? Hope you can do it by yourself, and you can also download the file in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.